Hey, my friend Garrett Berry here, coming at you from Houston, Texas. Now, chances are you're watching this video because you want to learn how to make money online. Well, what I'm going to do in this video is share with you how you can start making 100% commissions just working 30 minutes to an hour a day on your computer or smartphone. Okay, so today I was just actually at the gym. I just got back and I'm already up 500 and something dollars, okay, which you can see on the screen right now. And all this is, if you follow me along right here, all we're doing is copy and pasting pre-written ads on social media, okay? Sites like Facebook, sites like Craigslist, sites like YouTube. We're just posting those pre-written ads and we're making money, okay? Now the cool thing about this business is there's actually 100%, okay, if I show you there, 100% commissions, okay? So you're actually making 100% commissions. Now, what does that mean? That means that when you join this, every single time you promote, you just post those ads on social media. Anytime someone signs up through your customizable affiliate link, you make 100% commission. So as long as you have a PayPal account and you have the ability to collect payments, you will get 100% commissions. Okay, another cool thing about this opportunity is that it's instant payout, okay? Instant payout. So when you go and you promote and you make a sale on that product in the company, you get instantly paid, okay? So you don't have to wait. You're actually gonna make that instantly into your PayPal account, just like me and so many of my teammates have been doing. In fact, I've been really working to create even more powerful training videos, teaching people exactly what I'm doing, okay? So again, all we're doing is we're copying and pasting, okay, ads on social media, okay? So sites like Facebook, sites like YouTube, when people respond to those ads and they join and sign up through your link, you're gonna get 100% of that money, okay? So this is absolutely incredible. When you join, there's different levels, okay? So I highly recommend you join at least the $100 level. It's a one-time investment, okay? You're not gonna have to pay these monthly fees or a lot of overhead. To join this business opportunity, it's a one-time investment. Every time someone responds to these copy-paste ads, you're gonna make 100% of that money, okay? So, again, people ask me, Garrett, I don't have any experience. Can I do this if I'm just starting? That's exactly the reason that I've created my own training, and we have training in our team and training when you join in your back office, you'll see. And we walk you through, so it doesn't matter if you're a newbie, you're just getting started, you're gonna be able to plug in and get access to proven training to start making 100% commissions, okay? So now if you're watching this video, I only really wanna work with people that are coachable, okay? If you're coachable, if you're teachable, if you're willing to follow simple step-by-step instructions in about 30 to 60 minutes a day, then that's the person I want to work with. So what I'm going to do is invite you to head to my website, either in the link below or head to growwithgarrett.com. When you head to that website, you're going to get more information on exactly how it works, and you can go ahead and start if this is something you resonate with, and then I can work with you personally and share with you how I've been making so much money on Total Autopilot. So thanks so much for watching. Again, if you're ready, if you're serious to make this money online, head to the link below or growwithgarrett.com. Check out the information, get started, and I want to welcome you, my friend, and I'll see you on the inside.